Should I buy or sell Nvidia? The report for Nvidia was first published on our website Thursday, January 19, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since January 12, 2023, our system ranks Nvidia as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.492. In this period the stock has had a gain of 1.54%. This is an average return of 0.31% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Nvidia, our last headline reads, Nvidia stock price ended on $173.77 on Thursday after losing 0%. No changes to the price of Nvidia stock on the last trading day, Thursday, January 19, 2023. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 0% from a day low at $173.77 to a day high of $173.77. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 17.82% over the past 2 weeks. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $289.46, and the lowest price was $108.13. Right now the price is 42.08%, or $121.81, below 52-week high, and 51.61%, or $178.82, below all-time high November 22, 2021, where the price hit $346.47. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 16.92% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 2.33% and 33.65%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 39.98% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between minus 70.34% and minus 39.19%. This equals a price between $49.73 and $101.95 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Wednesday, January 11, 2023, KeyBank set price target to 220. On Monday, December 19, 2022, Needham set price target to 230. On Thursday, December 15, 2022, HSBC set price target to 136. On Friday, December 9, 2022, Tigris Financial set price target to 250. On Thursday, November 17, 2022, Needham set price target to 200. From analysts, Nvidia stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $168.21 and $161.31. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, January 18, 2023, and so far it has fallen 0%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Volume fell on the last day without any changes to the price. This does not cause any direct divergence but may be an early warning and a possible turning point. The very low volume increases the risk and reduces the other technical signals issued. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 25 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 43 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $157.21 and $155.63. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $157.21. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $155.63 and $132.19. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements and therefore the general risk is considered very low. However, be aware of low or falling volume and make sure to keep an eye on the stock during the last day. The stock moved $0 between high and low, or 0%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 4.08%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Nvidia. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Nvidia currently has a price-earning ratio of 47.47. A high price-to-earnings ratio could mean that a company's stock is overvalued, or else that investors are expecting high growth rates in the future. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released February 15, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $0.480. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Nvidia meets first resistance at $169.23. If you do not hold Nvidia shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Nvidia finds first level of support at $157.21, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Nvidia is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Stevens Mark A, whom have bought and sold 215,000 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -27.929. In total, the insiders bought 3,635,184 and sold 6,380,270 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $162.39, minus 3.14%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 24 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for Nvidia stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 20th, we expect Nvidia to open up $1.33 and start trading at $168.98. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to